In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post ads on Craigslist. To begin, open your web browser and go to Craigslist.org. Once the home page loads, look for the option to create a new post, commonly labeled as Post an Ad, and click on it. This will take you to the posting section where you can start setting up your advertisement. You will also see a list of posting guidelines and prohibited items, which is important to review so your ad follows the platform rules. Next, choose the category that best matches what you are posting. This step helps ensure your ad reaches the right audience. After selecting the category, you will move on to filling out the main details of your listing. Here, you can enter a clear posting title, set a price if applicable, and add your city or neighborhood along with your postal code. Make sure the information you enter is accurate so potential viewers can easily understand your listing. After that, you will be asked to provide a description of your post. This is where you explain the details of what you are offering. Depending on the category you selected, additional fields may appear, such as size, condition, or dimensions. These options can vary based on the type of listing you are creating, so fill them out according to your specific needs. You may also choose how your contact information is displayed. Some options allow you to show or hide certain details depending on your preference. There may also be settings for language and other item specifics, which help further refine your listing. Once all the required information is completed and everything looks correct, proceed by clicking Continue. The next step is to add images to your ad. Select the Add Images option and choose photos from your device that clearly represent your listing. After selecting your images, confirm them so they are uploaded to your post. When everything is ready, finalize your listing, and your advertisement will be published on Craigslist. It's also a good idea to double-check your details before publishing, especially your title, price, and description, since these are the first things people will notice. Clear photos and accurate information can help your listing get more attention and responses. Taking a moment to review everything ensures your post appears professional and reaches the right audience without confusion. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.